In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can repost someone's Instagram story to yours. Now, for that to happen, you will first need to be tagged into the story. So make sure that you're tagged into a story, and I'll teach you guys how you can repost that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is open up your Instagram, and after you open your Instagram, just go to your chat section. Now there you will see if you have been mentioned or tagged in someone else's story. So just open it up. Now as you can see right here, you will see the story that you've been tagged into. Now just tap on add to story and you can resize the story too. And after you do that, just tap on your story and you'll have added the story. Now you can go back to your profile and you can see if the story has been added. Now if you tap on the story right here, you will see the account that has tagged you in it. So yeah, that is basically how you do it. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.